Well, there's a big huge rust hole in my muffler. So I'm in the process already of replacing my exhaust system. See if she'll focus. Yeah, rusty. So I've already cut that section of pipe. I'm going to keep the tailpipe and whatnot. Got the clamp off the cat converter, but let's fire it up. You can hear how bad that rust is, or that hole is. Yeah. Unfortunately, that was letting exhaust fumes into the Jeep and the ZJ when I had the windows down. So we're gonna repair it. Have it come out of there again. All the way. Well, just because I can, before I put the new exhaust on, let's fire this up. It's just a cat. Muffler gone. Might be loud. Warning. Yeah, that's a little loud. Alright, let's put the muffler on now. Alrighty. New muffler in. Let's fire it up. Check for leaks. Oh. There might be a slight leak. Very minor one there. Very minor one up there. Those I might be able to go around with the welder at the shop and just zip them up. But she's in. There's the rust hole from the old one. Had to cut it away and peel it away in order to get it to come off nicely without damaging anything. Because I've smacked her a few times on some rocks. Ugh. Let's give it a little toot and see how she sounds. Doesn't sound too loud over here either. It's kind of nice. Well, that's her. Alright, so a little test drive inside the Jeep. Exhaust isn't terribly loud at all. I'm cruising along, 40 kilometers an hour. Is the speed limit in the residential in the city. The windows are all up. Just put the phone down. Heavy throttle on acceleration after this corner. Hello. Now let's roll. All four windows down. See if I can plop you up on the dash here. This toilet paper or something. Yeah, that might work. I don't know if you can see anything. That was all the windows down. Let's roll them all up. It's really not that bad. I kind of like it. Give it a couple of revs inside. All right, and that's it.